Lesson 1, this is the drone lesson. As part of this trip, obviously, I got to make sure that I can fly it. So I'm going to take it up to the top of Phnom Penh, which is a big hill over Sai Kung in Hong Kong. And I'm going to see if I can get it off in the air and also see if I can fly it and follow me. It follows you. But to do that, it means going up. I don't know if you can see that up there. Yep. I haven't done that in a while. I hope you get to see the next video. It means I made it. All right. So there we are. This little yellow box, this helpful thing, tells us where we are. We're going to crawl up this hill, I would say, and we're going to Phnom Penh. I'm not going up Pyramid Hill. We just need to get to there. But it's a big site and we should be able to see over the sea. I've only just started. I think it's going to go on and on like this. So I got about halfway up the hill, and I think over here you can just see that this is one of the traditional graves, a Buddhist grave, which have rather large urns in. And I think that it's from the ashes are placed in from all the ancestors from one family. So this will be one family's grave, and all the time you'll see other ones over there. I think over there, and down across and over there. Yeah, you can see those, all of them. All of these are different families. And the wealthier you are, the bigger they are, obviously. They're all facing towards the sea, in a feng shui sort of way. I'm not too sure about that. I'd have to look that one up. But there are two festivals that are held here in Hong Kong, Qingming and Chunyung. Qingming, I think, happens in April, and they're grave sweeping day. So it's a day to come up to, as a family comes up together, and they come and pay their respects and tidy up the place and burn incense and give gifts and burn money. I think it's paper money now these days, and I think you can just see down here, this is one of the places that they use for the burning of the offerings. And yeah, it's very peaceful places, very, very lovely, and gives you a moment to calm down on that long walk I've still got to do up the hill. And so I just found another one here, which was a little bit more ornate than the other ones, and I thought I'd show it to you. Here we go, you can see beautiful greens and the golds and the reds and the dragons on each one of these. Obviously, this is obviously from a wealthier family. I don't know if you can quite see that in that light. It's probably a bit better. Yeah, absolutely stunning.
hill.
Okay, I think we've done it. There we go. I am, and we have not died. All right, have not died. So this here is Ngon, and behind me on the very top there you can see Pyramid Hill. It's named Pyramid Hill for the obvious reasons, not because it's full of dead Egyptians, no. And we won't unfortunately be able to go to the top of that hill. I'm sure I've still got it in shot. Yeah, I think I have, there we are. We won't be able to go to that top of that one there because unfortunately I've got other commitments to do tonight, and that's the reason. Anyhow, so around here, if I just switch you over, like so, there's a lot of paragliding which happens up here, and amazing camping and beautiful sight. And just shortly, we're going to show you, I'm going to show you the beautiful view from up here. I'm going to take some drone footage.
Hello.
Hello. Hey ho. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, I'm trying to remember all those kind of instructions that it told me earlier. So press and hold. There. Now get the drone out, and hopefully I should show you this way. Actually, get the drone out. So make sure you got it around the right way. Take the cover off there. Place it down on the ground. Or do you want it facing you? Okay. Should we go back to the little... It's still got gimbal error, but... okay, let's just get off the ground, shall we? I can't remember how to get it off the ground. Right, how do I turn around? Oh, I don't know, before you fly. I think we need to land. That is just nuts. Wow. Incredible. Go fly. Should we try that again? Yep, we're recording. Okay, here we go. Take off then. Okay, so this is the drone, which we are now going to try and see if it can actually follow me down the road with 5% juice left on my phone. So let's see what happens. Come on, Mr. Drone. Scared, really scared, but it does do it, doesn't it? Woo! Okay, that might be it for today. So thank you for watching, everybody, again. Please like and subscribe, and I think I'm learning, but I've still got obviously quite a bit more work to do, but that won't stop me. Like, subscribe, see you next time. Bye bye.